race. Good luck to our pick 5. And the race is on. Jen Joy May Pan from the outside is Da Vinci. Gold Cougat is racing forward by Darrell, rushing up Diamond Dane and Fierce Fighter. May Pan by some 2 lengths, followed by Jen's Joy. Da Vinci is running in third by Darrell, moving up Fierce Fighter, Diamond Dane, and Gold Cougat is now running at the tail of the field, passing the half-mile post. May Pan is still leading by some 2 lengths. Da Vinci in second. Jen's Joy is racing third by some 4 lengths. Fierce Fighter is moving up by Darrell, Diamond Dane on the outside, and Gold Cougat. Another far turn, May Pan by a length and up. Da Vinci, Jen's Joy, Fierce Fighter. As they race the last 500, May Pan back to 2 lengths lead. Da Vinci is running in second on the outside. Jen's Joy, Fierce Fighter, and Gold Cougat. As they race the last 200, May Pan still leading the pack by some 2 lengths. Da Vinci in second. Fierce Fighter is running in third. Gold Cougat, and hitting the finish line from start to finish. Number 1, May Pan, Da Vinci, Fierce Fighter, Gold Cougat, Jen's Joy, and Diamond Dane.
Gold Cougat.